Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing iPhone 11 Pro Max versus Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus freeze test. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and have your notification turned on so you don't miss out my upcoming videos. And also iPhone 11 Pro Max giveaway is going on my channel. If you haven't participated yet, participate now. Giveaway link is in the description. This iPhone 11 is a midnight green color and this Galaxy S10 Plus is a prism blue color. Both phones comes with a triple camera setup at the back, wide camera, telephoto camera and an ultra wide angle camera. And as you can see, the both phones are fully working. Now I'm gonna keep these phones in the freezer. I'm gonna put some water on the both phones so later we'll know how well it got frozen. Okay, so the both phones are now ready for the freeze test. Hey guys, I'm back after 6 hours and let's see the phones. And wow, the phones are completely frozen. Okay, so first let's take out the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And wow guys, this looks so cool. Looking at the back, definitely the fog went inside the rear camera. And the phone is still working. Now let's have a look at the Galaxy S10 Plus. Wow, and also as you can see, the fog also went inside the Galaxy S10 Plus front facing camera, as well as the rear camera. And now I'm gonna clean these phones and let's see if they are fully working. Okay guys, so I just cleaned the phones and the phones are still so cool to the touch. And as you can see, the both phones are working. Now let's check the camera. And as you can see, there's still some fog in the rear camera. That's why the camera looks blurry. Now let's check the in-display fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is working and unlocks the phone without any issues. Now let's check the Face ID on the iPhone. And the Face ID is not working. Let's try one more time. And no, it's not working because of the fog in the front facing camera, as well as in the rear camera. The phones are fully working and after a couple of minutes the fog disappeared and the Face ID started working. As you can see, it unlocks the phone as soon as I look at the phone. Also, the Galaxy S10 Plus unlocks the phone faster with the fingerprint sensor. And now let's check the speakers. Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing OnePlus 70 water test. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and have your notification turned on. Now let's check the Galaxy S10 Plus. Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing OnePlus 70 water test. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and have your notification turned on so you don't miss out my upcoming videos. This OnePlus 70 comes with a 6. The speakers are working without any problem. It's loud and clear. The fog also disappeared from the rear camera of the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the Galaxy S10 Plus. Now let's open up the camera again and take a photo to see the difference. The photos are much clearer compared to the last photo, as you can see the difference between the both photos. The volume rockers and silent switch is also working. So yeah, the phones are fully working. The iPhone 11 Pro Max and the Galaxy S10 Plus survived my freeze test. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.